Hello everybody, I hope you all are keeping well and keeping safe. My name is Nwachukwu. I am a counselor and a psychotherapist. Today I want to talk about stress because it's a very important part of our daily lives. But first we need to understand what is stress. Stress is a body reaction that requires adjustment or a response, and this could be mentally, physically, or emotionally. But the good news is, it is a part of our daily lives. We could experience stress through our environment, our body, and even our thoughts. Now that we have established what stress means, that it needs our body, it needs an adjustment and a response, I'm going to give you a few tools, especially considering what we are all experiencing in this time of coronavirus or COVID-19. It is very important that we understand what we need to do in order to manage what comes with what we are experiencing on a daily basis. First, how can we adjust? And second, how can we respond? We hear things. How should we respond to what we are hearing? We are experiencing pain, panic, distress, loneliness, disappointment, sadness. How can we adjust our emotion? As stress is part of our daily lives, how can we have all these things happening to us and still move on and be able to function effectively in the mix of all these things that we are experiencing? We can adjust to stress and take control of our lives by adjusting our expectations and attitude. You can adjust by staying positive, adjusting your standard of life, and also looking at the bigger picture and taking a different perspectives, looking at things that happens around you in a different perspectives. Always look beyond what you can see now. Look at the bigger picture. No matter what you are experiencing, sometimes we catastrophize situation even when it's just a little thing. So we need to adjust how we see things. Our perspectives of things can affect how we are feeling. We can respond to stress first by recognizing unresolved emotions, as they can guide us or misguide us on a daily basis. Listen to your body. When necessary, say no. You don't have to say yes or accept everything as they come. You have to listen to what is it that your body is telling you. You've got the instinct there. You've got intuitions. You've got your feelings. You have to listen to to your gut feelings. And also, keep to a daily exercise. And do not forget to eat well, as they form what comes from inside. If your inside is healthy, it affects your mental being. Like I always say, we are responsible to how we are feeling. Despite what we may be experiencing or witnessing or going through, we are still responsible, because stress comes from our mental state, what we see and what we are feeling. So you have to permit your body to be upset. You have to permit your body to be happy. You pick and choose how you want to feel on a daily basis. Because sometimes we have the habit of catastrophizing situations even when they are small. Sometimes we run when nothing is chasing us. This is why I decided to bring this tool to you, so that you will understand what this is. That stress, sometimes, the stress is an emotion that we're experiencing that requires adjustment or a response. So I hope these little tools that I've brought to you, we kind of like help elevate some of this notion, and so that we can come to that place where we are able to flourish effectively even in the middle of stress. Thank you so much for listening. And if you think that what I've said makes sense, I would encourage you to share it to your friends and family. Let them learn from this. And also, you can follow me on social media. I am on Facebook, Tina Talk Show, on Instagram, Tina Talk Show, on YouTube, Tina Talk Show Bridging the Gap. And you can also go to my website, www.tinatalkshow.com. There you can see more about me. Thank you so much for listening and for following. Until next time, and bye for now.